Hey, Scott Lair 1961 on Twitter, Scott Lair 1961 on Instagram, thecruisegenius.com. Here I am at Palladium Vallarta. I'm on the Palladium side. The other side is the family selection side. And so there we are, Mexico. And over here to my right is the theater. And if you've been to Riviera Maya or to Costa Mujeres, you know, you always have an area where they do the shows. And last night they had the kids' rag show here, and they have other performances here. I've just got to say, I'm really impressed with this resort. It is just absolutely beautiful. And it's the same at any Palladium resort you go to. The people are so nice, they're friendly, they're kind. The resorts are perfectly manicured and landscaped. So let's kind of get our bearings here a second. And as I've said, let's get where we're at here. Now to the left here, that's the family selection side, right? And the family selection side is that, you know, step up experience for families, for kids. Then it's like a horseshoe. And then you've come over here, you got Zentropia, which we know about Zentropia, that's the spa. You know, got the gym, massages, hair, that kind of stuff. And then you have the Palladium side right here. So the one thing that's really, that you need to know about this resort, even though it's smaller, you're gonna be walking, okay? So that's okay. I mean, it's good, get some exercise and you're doing great. So there's a lot of flora and fauna here at the resort. It's kind of neat that they have these little things here to kind of tell you what you're looking at, because I don't have a clue. You know, I know politics, I know cruises, I know all-inclusive resorts, but flora and fauna, don't have a clue. So, but I do have some friends that really love this. So anyway, you got this path over here to the left of the theater. And, you know, I call this place the zoo, but it's not really a zoo. From what I understand, one of the former managers of the resort basically found a deer or something. And they turned this into like a little sanctuary. And I guess that's the deer over there that the person found. I don't know. Let me walk over here. Now, I tell you, this is great for kids. I mean, Reed and Cole, Sophia, Hunter, Atlas. I mean, all the kids that I know would love this. But look at this. I mean, here's these animals. They're coming right up to me. Maybe they think I got food. I don't know. Hey, guys. How you doing? So you have the animals here. Hey, hi. Hi, I'm Scott. Hola. Hola, ¿cómo está? So here's the zoo. Let's just say that. Here's the zoo. All right. But I mean, no admission fee, no charge. Do not feed or tease the animals. Look. As the deer pants for the water. Thank you. All right, so here, look over here. Hey, Bambi. Hey, Bambi, how you doing? Hi, hola. Hola, ¿cómo está? Bien? ¿Y tú? Mira, mira. Hola, hi, how are you? Hi. Now, I'm not gonna pet the animals because, you know, they always say that don't pet the animals. Hey, look at this. Look how close you can get to these guys. Look at this, look at this. Look, hey, hi. Okay, so can you imagine bringing your grandkids here to Palladium Vallarta and getting this close to these animals? Look at that. Look at that. I mean, unbelievable. One over there. No charge included. Come on by. Now they got some monkeys. Hey, there's Mr. Monkey. Hey, monkey. Hey monkey, what's your name? Hey monkey, what's your name? Hey! Hey monkey! Hey monkey, what's your name? Hey! Hey buddy! Hey buddy! I've been to pretty much all the Palladium and TRS resorts in Mexico and in the Dominican Republic, and wow, they don't have this there. This is exclusive to Palladium Vallarta. Wow. Hola, ¿cómo está? Oh, very good. Thank you. Very good. So anyway, let's take a look. How cool is that? Want to take a walk over here? And again, pardon my flip-flops. Not flip-flops, they're sandals, I guess. You know, I have a couple of friends of mine who said, you know, take the path at Riviera Maya, Yucatan. And here's a path here. And again, you know, for my friends that are all into this stuff, you know, they can got these little signs to tell you what all these different things are. Pretty cool. But anyway, it's very, very nice. You know, I just got an email from one of my colleagues in the cruise media asking me, what do I think about, you know, mask mandates now by the CDC, and what about some cruise lines mandating that you have the vaccine? I mean, it just really breaks my heart, because for those of us who've cruised, we know what cruising was like pro-COVID. And that's really the benefit of these all-inclusive resorts. I mean, okay, I'm wearing my mask right now because I just didn't take it off. But, you know, there's a lot of social distancing here. There's a lot of places to spread out where you're not going to have to be concerned. And I'll tell you, it just, I mean, I have 150 days on Holland America Line. I have 75 days on Carnival, lots of days on Royal Caribbean, lots of days on NCL. And it just is really sad, because cruising is going to change now. But I can tell you, over the last year, my experience at these all-inclusive resorts here are just, I really don't have words for it. I don't, because these resorts are so beautiful. The food, the entertainment, I mean, everything is just amazing. And I've got to hand it to the people. The people are just, you know, I've storytelling area, eh? If you've looked at my previous videos, especially my TRS Cap Cana video, where I'm standing on the steps, you know, I tell the staff, it's every resort I've been to, it's not the buildings, it's not the entertainment, it's not the food, it's the people. And the people are so kind at every resort I've been to. They're just so nice. And as I mentioned before, Palladium Vallarta, You got the family selection side, which is really nice. My grandkids would love it. I was actually talking to my wife Marty today via FaceTime, and I was kind of actually getting teared up looking at the playgrounds and all these things for the kids, and I was thinking about my two grandsons and said, man, I really wish they were here. They would get such a kick out of it. And that's the cool thing about being a grandparent. And I know my friends John and Karen Bukima and Dwight and Connie and Paul and Debbie and other folks I know who are grandparents. You know, as you get older, you know, yeah, it's about the experiences we have. But when you see the kids' faces when they experience stuff for the very first time, I mean, Reed's 3 and Cole's like 1.5, and you see their faces when they experience stuff, it's priceless. It's absolutely, there's nothing that compares with it, nothing. So anyway, this is a little bit of a walk here. And that's why I've always told people in my audience, travel while you can. And this is even before COVID, because you got to do it when you're young and you're able to do it, right? I mean, if it's kind of like having kids, right? I'll have kids when I can afford it. Well, guess what? You'll never be able to afford to have kids. And that's the thing about traveling, is that do it while you can. I'm 59, right? And I'm walking around here enjoying this beautiful scenery. But if you wait till you're older, until you can afford it, I mean, so do it while you can. That's all I'm trying to say. A friend of mine was on a TV interview with me the other day and said, you know, she's not going to be locked up in her home. She's not going to let the world pass her by. And she was going to travel. And that's exactly right. And all we have is today, actually, you know. We don't know about tomorrow. Okay, enough of that. So, from the nature path here at Palladium Vallarta. Scott Lehrer 1961, the cruise genius. Scott Lehrer 1961 Twitter, Scott Lehrer 1961 Instagram. Stay tuned for more videos, and thank you for watching.